Welcome back to the channel. Just when we thought Sony had peaked with their mirrorless lineup, the rumor mill brings us the Sony A7V, a next-generation hybrid camera that's generating serious buzz among creators, photographers, and videographers worldwide, and for good reason. This camera promises to blend high-resolution photography with advanced video capabilities, making it a dream tool for modern content creators. The heart of it, we're expecting a 4.4 MP full-frame backside illuminated CMOS sensor, likely the IMX366, which isn't just about stuffing in more megapixels. It's designed to improve dynamic range, boost low-light performance, and eliminate that annoying rolling shutter effect, especially during high-speed action or handheld shooting. Whether you're filming street scenes, wildlife, or you're hyperactive dog, this sensor looks poised to deliver crisp, colorful, detailed images. And autofocus? Sony's rumored to integrate its AI-powered autofocus system from flagship models like the A7RV and a 9 III, bringing real-time eye tracking, intelligent face recognition, and even dynamic exposure adjustments, a total game changer for vloggers and event shooters who can't afford to miss the moment. Speaking of moments, videographers are in for a treat. The A7V may support 4000 at 120 fps, 8K at 30 fps, and Full HD at a glorious 240 fps for slow motion that'll make your audience blink twice. Combined with 10-bit for 2222 internal recording and 16-bit RAW over HDMI, this beast is clearly targeting serious creatives, from indie filmmakers to high-end YouTubers. On the storage front, expect dual card slots that support both SpexPress Type A and UHS to SD. Cards giving you flexibility and the confidence to shoot uninterrupted. And for those always on the move, you'll be glad to know it may include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth Low Energy, and USB-C with power delivery, meaning faster transfers, easier tethered shooting, and solid live streaming potential. Design-wise, Sony might take a page out of the A9 III playbook, offering a more comfortable grip, improved button layout, and better weather resistance. All essentials for field shooters. Add a fully articulating 4-axis touchscreen and a super sharp old EVF with over 5.76 million dots, and you're ready to shoot in sunlight, shadows, or anything in between. Of course, Sony's legendary 5-axis and body image stabilization will be there too, but this time with AI enhancements, promising even smoother handheld footage and sharper stills. Top that off with features like focus breathing compensation, cinematone color profiles, and detailed picture controls. And you're looking at a camera that's serious about pro-level output? Now, let's talk money. The A7V is expected to fall in the $2,500 to $3,000 range, placing it firmly in the premium enthusiast to pro category. Not cheap, but considering what's under the hood, could be an irresistible upgrade for a 7 III or a 7 IV users craving a serious boost in power. While the release might be pushed to late 2025 or early 2026 due to supply chain delays, the excitement isn't slowing down. This might just be the ideal tool for those wanting flagship-level specs without shelling out flagship-level cash. Whether you're producing YouTube content, shooting weddings, or creating cinematic travel reels, the Sony A7V is shaping up to be a powerhouse hybrid. So are you planning to upgrade or holding out for something even more powerful? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing what the creative community is excited about. And if this deep dive helped you out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell icon for updates, and check out my other videos on Sony gear, especially the one on the A7RV in my 2025 Mirrorless Buyer's Guide. Catch you in the next one. Keep creating.